Welcome back to the Keto Cooking Kitchen. Today we're going to make a simple egg salad with pickles, MCT oil and mayonnaise. We need 15 eggs, 1 onion and 2 shallots, MCT oil, mayonnaise, mustard and pickles. We start by boiling the eggs for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can cut our pickles, onions and shallots. When everything is cut, we mix our mayonnaise with the MCT oil, mustard and the seasonings. Add the mixture to the other ingredients and mix everything thoroughly. As soon as the eggs are finished, chill them with cold water, peel them, cut 12 pieces and add them to the bowl. Finally, mix everything thoroughly once more. And this is how our simple egg salad looks like. It is perfect for meal prepping or just as a side dish. Thanks for watching, and if you like the recipe, check out the link to it in the video description and follow me on Instagram at KetoKookin.